Email marketing is the best way to land huge profits again and again. Did you know that on average, people check their email 15 times a day? And that there are 4 billion email users every single day? Email marketing is gigantic. And it's set to keep growing. With the email marketing industry set to be worth over $22 billion by 2024. $22 billion. With so much money to make and so many people to email. The time to become an email marketing master is now. But what if you don't have the knowledge or experience to succeed at email? What if you don't have a list of high-converting, top-quality emails? Don't worry.